What's up, guys? You saw that Wisconsin Southern we just caught, trying to chase him to somewhere west of Waukesha. So that was north of Sussex we caught him at. So he's going south on the CN main, and then in Waukesha they split off onto their own main, and then they go to Janesville, and then he's going up to Madison with that one. But we're gonna try to catch him at least once more. I don't know. I'm running a little bit late here, but we'll see some more. Then I gotta get back to some model stuff because you guys like seeing model videos too. So can't do all real trains, but I thought it'd be cool to get some pictures, and I can fly the drone up while I'm taking shots, so that works pretty good. So all right, guys, let's see what we can do here. So guys, I'm not very good at the drone thing yet. Yeah, I tried twice to get it up in the air for the shot, and this last time I had it, but I changed the setting so that I could record audio from my phone while the drone was in the air, so that I get at least the noise of the train, you know, because it's kind of boring with no audio. I just got to put music over it. So I had it working, and then when I pressed record, apparently it needed access to my microphone. Here's some shots anyway. You can see what it would have been like. So it needed access to my microphone, and I didn't realize it until I was bringing it down, and I'm like, oh, okay. So I pressed OK, and apparently it didn't start recording until I pressed OK. So that sucks, but I'm not going any further west. That thing was moving pretty quick, so I don't really want to get too far away from Waukesha here. So we're gonna go see if we can catch a little switch job with the GTW unit on it. That'll be pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, guys, so trying to figure the drone out. It's not going great, but ran her out of battery that last shot. Then I was flying away from myself. I'm like, oh crap, I only got a minute left of fly time. And then when you only got so much time left, it starts landing on its own, and I'm driving away from myself. I was like, I gotta look at the camera a little better and figure out where I am sometimes. But we got her home with like 30 seconds to spare, so that wouldn't have been good. But caught the Amtrak, couldn't get the drone up fast enough, but I showed you the pictures of that. So now we got the CN southbound, one more behind him, and then there's that switch job up, switching out quad graphics in Sussex. We'll see about that. It's getting late here, so didn't want to be out all day, but CN should be coming around the corner here in a minute. I don't know where this GTW unit is, but I'm hungry. It's 2:41. I haven't eaten lunch yet. But there's Quad in Sussex and the train tracks, so we'll at least be close by if you go south later. Alright guys, just got my lunch. Finally. Now the train's coming so I can't eat it, but here she is. I think they're grabbing those two cars or something, but so an old GTW unit still in GTW paint, which is pretty cool. And then XIC unit there. It's pretty nice little pair, but too bad the IC unit's still not in IC paint. That'd be even nicer. I'm gonna eat my lunch. Alright guys, last shot of the day, also the worst shot of the day. That's why you should subscribe and follow me on Instagram, so, oh boy, so you don't miss the next shot that probably sucks. But southbound CN, nothing special, from the roof of the truck, because it's the only way this shot's gonna be okay.